Seabeauty is committed to providing customers with high-quality raw hair products that are durable and natural. To achieve this, we have implemented several processes to ensure that our raw hair is of the best quality and durability. Firstly, we source our raw hair from remote mountainous areas in Yunnan, Guizhou, and Sichuan of China, which are close to Vietnam and Burma. We only use virgin braids that are directly cut down, without mixing any other hair. Our raw hair is healthy and natural, and its quality is stable, despite the rising prices of raw hair every year. We select only the best 10 to 15% braided hair from each origin to ensure that our products are of the highest quality. Secondly, we have a strict hair classification process, which divides raw hair into 24 grades according to specific standards. Each grade is applied to different products, depending on its particularity. Our hair is diverse, and no two strands are identical, which is why we have developed a 24-grade principle that is carried out strictly. This ensures that we classify our raw hair according to its suitability for light or dark colors, and whether it can be curled. Thirdly, our bleaching and dyeing process is complex and demanding, and it affects the final result of product quality directly. We have adopted a professional bleaching and dyeing process that integrates digital acquisition and intelligent analysis into all aspects of the production process. This allows us to precisely control the quantity, time, and uniformity of our products, increasing efficiency. We use high-quality treatment chemicals to prevent hair damage and increase longevity, and our dyeing agents use dyes that are safe and harmless to the human body. Our colors are mainly gray and cold, luxurious, and high-end. Lastly, we use a 100% manual washing method, and each bunch of hair is washed more than 6 times. Before production, all raw hair is washed in purified water at 40 C, and then shampooed at least 6 times to ensure that all dirt is cleaned up. After washing, we apply hair conditioner to keep the cuticle closed, preventing any damage when combing the hair. In conclusion, Seabeauty is committed to providing high-quality raw hair products that are durable, healthy, and natural. We have implemented strict processes, such as hair classification, professional bleaching and dyeing, and manual washing to ensure that our products are of the highest quality.